Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can create a Google form. To get started, head over to Google and type forms.google.com. Now you're on the main page. At the top, you'll see a few templates you can use, or you can create a blank form. I'm going to start with a blank one, but feel free to pick a template if it fits your needs. First, give your form a title. I'll call mine Survey, but you can name it whatever you like. You can also add a description if you want. Then you can start adding questions. Click on the first question to edit it. Choose the type of answer you want, like multiple choice, checkboxes, short answer, and more. For this example, I'll pick short answer. On the bottom right, you have options to duplicate the question, delete it, or make it required. Over on the right-hand side, you can add more questions by clicking the plus button. I'll add a multiple choice question next. Just type your first option, then click Add Option to add more choices. You can also add sections to organize your form better. Just click Add Section on the right. Plus, you can insert images, videos, titles, and more if you like. Once you're done building your form, go to the top and click Responses to view answers once people start submitting. You can also go into Settings to adjust how your form behaves. When you're ready to share it, click Publish in the top right. You can either send it by email or get a shareable link. I usually prefer the link. You can even shorten it before copying. Once responses start coming in, you can view them directly in Google Forms or link them to a Google Sheet to manage your data even better. And that's it, you are done.